Let us look at a poem from Tili Kannada grade 5. The name of the poem is Sarutide Shrishti. It is written by Siddhaya Puranika. Shrishti means nature and Sarutide means tell or announce or give a message. So the meaning of this poem is nature is giving us a message. So inspired by nature, the poet wants to convey us a message. So in the first paragraph, he takes examples of things in nature which are sweet and tasty and conveys a message to us that we need to develop a pleasant and a noble nature. In the second example, in the second paragraph, he gives examples of things in nature which emit light, like the star, the sun, and tells us that just like how these objects shine and also light up the path for others, we also should share our knowledge and shine. And finally, in the last paragraph, he mentions that we should be inspired by nature and be like that poet who writes beautiful and meaningful words, the words which motivate and makes others to be noble and helpful. So now let us look at the paragraph one by one. So this is the first paragraph. ಹಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆನೆ ಮೊಸರು ಹಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಸಗೊಬ್ಬು ಬಾಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳೆನೀರು ಹೊಳೆನೀರು ಹಾಲ್ದೆನೆಯ ಕಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಇದು ಸವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂದು ಸವಿಯಾಗು 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 ಎಂದು. So hannu means fruit, benne is butter, kene mosaru curd, halu is milk, then kanda is all the root vegetables, jenu is honey, rasagabbu is sugarcane, bale is banana, elaniru is tender coconut, holeneeru is river water, and haldeneya kalinali, the grains which when you grind gives you milk. You can extract milk from grains. And sarutide means announce, tell or give a message. Shrishti idu nature. Saviyagi nindu. Savi is tasty or sweet. Saviyagu 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 yendu. Saviyagu means become sweet. So all these things which are found in nature, like the fruits, the butter, the curd, milk, the roots, honey, sugarcane, banana, all these things are very sweet and tasty. So the poet is telling us that just as how these things are sweet and tasty, we also we should have a nature which is very pleasant and helpful, and we should be approachable to others. Others should come and talk to us and share their feelings. They should feel very nice when they talk to us. Then let's look at the next paragraph. ತಾರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಷಯ ಹೊಂಬಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಇದು ಛವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂದು ಛವಿಯಾಗು 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 ಎಂದು. Tare is stars, Chandra is moon, Surya is sun, Ranna is all the precious gems, Kanchu is bronze, Minchu is lightning, Muttu is pearl, Chinna is gold, Jyoti is a flame. When you light up a candle or a lamp, the flame, that is called as Jyoti. Nayana is eyes. Ushaya Hombannadalli, sun's golden rays. All these things in nature, they shine and they also light up the path for others. So just like how all these things in nature, all these objects in nature shine, we humans, we also have to spread our knowledge. It's not just that we have enough knowledge. It's not just that we should be knowledgeable. We also need to spread the knowledge. Just like how light shows path for everybody, we have to spread our knowledge and shine. Then the last paragraph. ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಸವಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ ಬಾಳ ಭವ್ಯತೆಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಸವಿಸಾಕಾಗಿ ಬಾಳುವೆಯ ಸವಿ ಬೆಳಕ ಬರೆಯುವವ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಸವಿಚವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂದು ಕವಿಯಾಗು 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 ಎಂದು. ಶಬ್ದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಸವಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್, ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿ means it should be bright and shiny. Bala is life, bhavyate is noble, bareyuvava is a writer. So here the poet is telling us that we should write words which are sweet. Shabdadali saviyagi, our words should be very sweet. They should be meaningful, and the words should be so sweet and meaningful that it should show, it should teach us something. It should tell us how to be noble in life, how to develop humanity, how to be helpful to others. So all this can be conveyed if you are a poet. A poet in a very creative and a nice way can convey all these messages to us. So the poet is telling us that be inspired by nature and try to be like a poet who writes beautiful and meaningful words to inspire and motivate others, also to be very good and noble in life.